What I gonna give me opinionated peeps. So people make we talk about Ivany right a little bit, because as a female, out there, I would think that Ivany is very much troubled, and really needs some serious help. And the reason why I say that is because this young lady seems to be going through some stuff, right? Just the other day, Ivany uploaded the audio of her father, speaking and saying that he wish Ivany would have just dead, right? And even something like that for hear your own father talk about, a young lady would have to be traumatized, and going through stuff when you hear your own father say things like that about you, right? So that leads me to this conversation right now where Ivany is having, where she's talking about Neil, which is her boyfriend, Sheba's son, right? Them always a fight, always a fight. And she even mentioned at one point where she said Neil, trip her and she fall and hurt her knee and stuff like that while them did a fight, and it makes me wonder if she feel like that is normal, if she feel like that is love, if she feel like what love's supposed to be, But people, more you just take a listen right now to what Ivany say, and then we are gonna jump back and converse about it.
Fight. Not saying I love fight, but I just so make my annoying, you see me? Right? What year I said to myself, why ain't I left the dirty boy because he might beat? Why not just gonna slip me for no reason? Or you understand? More while I just me. You understand? More while and me bad him and him, put him on for me, which him should do that, him not supposed to do that, yeah. But I make it sound like say, I just do with somebody with us. Get up and just box me in my face, get up and just thump me in my eye. Get up just thump me down. No. I don't even stop make it look so. And next thing I'm gonna say, no for not tell me say, left the because the boy broke. I'm sure all the people who are rich now never did born rich. I know them did broke. I know them have to do hustling before them get rich. I know them used to borrow money before them have money now, yeah. So when I tell myself I left the boy now, the boy broke. And the boy give me nothing. I'm not gonna leave the boy because the boy broke. I'm not there with the boy because I want him money. You understand? I'm not there with him because I want him money. I'm not there with him because I like him. I'm there with him because me love him. That's why I love him. I want to accept him, man. You're not a human being. I'm not supposed to love. I'm not supposed to love. So through him lick me and me love him and him love me. Me a big Yamabella. Just because him lick me 2 times and him broke. Me a Yamabella. Me a fool for go there with the boy. And just because me a one girl but I don't like and I don't hate, I'ma style him for hate me and him not to deal with me. I don't pre-life too, brother. I don't go like say true me is the crazy Vany, the cranny Vany, the disgusting Vany. Nobody in the world now gonna love me like. Remember me tell you, and everybody are gonna hate me. You see me? You got people out there will love me and me have feelings and me love. Alien. You see, I'm not there with nobody because them have. I'm not there with nobody before I people because me love them. Me there with Neil because me love him. I'm not care what nobody wants to say. I'm not gonna leave him for honor. Just imagine me go listen to Ono left Neil. Neil I become one upcoming artist. Couple years Neil got bust big now. I'm gonna sit down and say, God. You understand? I can't let that happen at all. I have to fight and I have to be there. No, cut that shit. Alright, forget what I just said a while ago. You know, say everything we take for joke. You know, say everything we take for joke. I just cut what I said a while ago. Cut. As me I say, there with him because me love him. So you see if it come to the point where something I would just have to just left, I just say go. If Neil did love, if Neil never loved me, Neil would have there with me. Besides, one not say me I give Neil money. Believe me or not, a whole heap of woman out there can give Neil things we are looking, and him could have got to them and left me go to them and him don't do it. One just need for go away. One just need for leave me alone. One just need for come out of my life. Because you see enough of uno, I tell you the truth. You see enough of uno where I tell me say me an idiot for there with the boy. Enough of uno out the worst on me, but I hide it on the internet, you see me? Enough of uno out there man chop on now. At least me I get no chop, me I get cross and little scratches when I get chop with cutlass. Cling, you know that head. Cling, chop, blood, I've got to get too much stitches. Them something that rich man. Them something that I don't need enough to tell me instead of boy and love me. Cause if I listen to them and I'm there in shit. If me listen to Instagram people, I never do things that me want to do. I could more follow my mind. I do things that I want to do. Or things that I want to do. If I follow someone, I dead long time. I don't listen to nothing what people say on Instagram. Nothing. That's why I say, you know. I don't mean, I don't give a fuck. Some people say, Vanya, oh the boy beats you come on IG, come talk about it. If I make the girl know say fucking beat her, I don't hide nothing. What am I supposed to do? A boy lick me in my ass and me come live every day, come cover it up. I don't wear turkey neck, you know, but every night you see me have on this long turkey neck and cover up and pretty it up and go around with him and walk and act like we lovey-dovey and everything nice and pretty it up and come on the media and say, oh babe pastor, oh babe and pretty it up. No, I have to show it and make it all on say he's a fucking beater, he's a woman beater. Yes, and we put him on pan you. I will come on live come tell you that I hide nothing. So if you don't want to think I am a weird, you have to go think I'm weird. Me don't love him only the run you because you can't mind him and put him up. Okay. Anything you say, mama, that you have to work with. Anything me say, that me I work with. Anything him say, that him I work with. Only love me for my things. Me have things. They say I wanna stay, him only love me for my things. The last time I check out, I say I don't have no things. Remember? Remember say I wanna say I don't have nothing, you know. I don't have nothing. So how no man want me for my things? What kind of things? I wanna say I don't have nothing. Remember say I wanna cuss me every day, say Vanya, I don't have nothing. So what kind of things me have for man want love me for my things? Don't not confuse me. The man are gonna beat her to death. That's it. One can't understand say you have different type of people. You have Yamabella, Dopey Bat, Crosses, Man Clown, Manabella, Yamabella, Stinkabella, sensible people, retarded people, people who have Down syndrome, crackhead people. You have all type of people. I'm just one of those big Yamabella man clone people. You can't expect better, my love.
Now, what would you say about the things that Ivany is saying right here in this video? It sounds as if she is trying to justify her man beating her and trying to say this is the reason why I will not leave, or you know, it is me who always do something and trouble him or whatever. You understand? And even the part where she said, yo, I always take everything for joke. Yo, there is nothing funny or there is no joke in a man beating you. It is just straight up facts right there. There is no joke in a man beating you. And if you there with a man and you are trying to justify or find a reason to say, yo, I am the reason why this man beats me, right? And then the part that she says she not leave him because he my boss and Ray and all these things. And I mean, at the end of the day, if you're with somebody and they might beat you, you can't look at down the line, you know, right? You have to look at this. If a man love you, he will not want to hurt you. It is just plain and simple, right? Getting beaten from a man is not love. And that is something we notice with a lot of women. Them love to about, because him love me. Love, that is not love. You understand? If somebody loves you, they will not want to cause you physical pain. Because when a man box you, physical pain. When a man kick you, physical pain. When a man grab you and choke you, physical pain. You understand? So if somebody loves you, he will not do that to you. And that is what Ivany needs to understand, right? Stop justifying the things we go on, right? I understand people have disagreements, right? But as adults, we should be able to talk about it and work it out, not have a man beat up on you. Talk to me in the comment section. Your opinion matters.
Boy, unstoppable you, unstoppable you, unstoppable.